We want to differentiate 2x squared over the square root of 3x minus 1. Once again, this is a quotient, so we can use the quotient rule. The u, we can see, is 2x squared, and the v is the square root of 3x minus 1, which we can write as 3x minus 1 to the power a half. We need du dx, and this is 4x. We need dv dx, and this is a half times 3x minus 1 to the minus a half multiplied by the differential of the inside, which is 3. So we have 3 over 2 times 3x minus 1 to the minus a half. We now want to use the formula. We start with v times du dx, which gives us 4x times the square root of 3x minus 1. Remember, 3x minus 1 to the half is the square root of 3x minus 1. We then have take away u times dv dx. The 2 times 3 over 2 will give us 3. We have the x squared, and 3x minus 1 to the minus a half is a root 3x minus 1 on the bottom. This is all over v squared, which is just 3x minus 1. At this stage we now have differentiated, but we might need to tidy. The tidying is not straightforward here and probably won't be required. However, we should work through it. So to tidy this, let's take a denominator, which is the 3x minus 1 on the bottom, and the root 3x minus 1 on the bottom of the second term on the top. If we look at this, it's only over this one, so we need to multiply it by the root 3x minus 1 if we divide by root 3x minus 1. And root 3x minus 1 times root 3x minus 1 is 3x minus 1. The 3x squared, however, is already over both things, so will stay the same. The denominator remains the same, and we need to expand the bracket on the top. We get 12x squared, take away 4x, minus 3x squared. All that remains is to tidy the top, and we have 12x squared minus 3x squared, which is 9x squared, and the minus 4x.